This is the return air duct, and I cut the hole from this return, and the size that I cut it is 7 3/4 inches by 6 7/8 inches. And from that hole, and I installed this humidifier housing, and there's a suction for this humidifier housing, and I installed the 6 inches flexible aluminum ducting, and the other end I cut 6 inches hole from this discharge ducting for the gas furnace. And from this end there's a shutter bulb that you can regulate the amount of hot airflow going to the suction for humidifier. And this is the ducting going right through. Next will be the water reservoir. And this is the one. There's a magnetic float switch from the other side to regulate the amount of flow and water level for the reservoir. And I'm going to hook up the magnetic float switch in series with the solenoid valve. And next will be the drum or a filter drum. There's a humidifier filter pad on it. On this is the suction, and this is the discharge. There's different one. This one's supposed to be hooked up from the suction of the humidifier, and this one is hooked up to the motor. Now it's already hooked up. I'm going to hook up this discharge line from the water bulb. And make sure that it's away from the filter drum. And this is the magnetic float switch. This is usually normally closed when there's no water here, and when the water level goes to the normal level, then it will open the solenoid bulb and the water will stop. From this line, it's hooked up from the cold water line, and here I install the shuttle bulb in case it's overflowing or for maintenance purposes. And there's a humidity sensor, and it is usually hooked up on the same return air duct. And this is the wiring, power supply, which is 24 volts coming from the transformer. This is 24 volts, the AC transformer that supply the humidifier sensor. Now we're going to open the bulb, and it's open right now. And the water reservoir is filling up right now. Still filling up right now. And observe the magnetic float switch, and slowly rising up to the normal water level. When it reaches to the maximum water level, this magnetic float switch will open and this water solenoid will be closed. There, you can hear the click and the solenoid valve is already closed. And it's already on normal water level. Now we have to set the humidifier sensor. Right now the outside temperature is -12, so the setting will be -10 in between to -10 to -20 degrees centigrade, and the setting will be around 30%. So we'll set this one to 30%. And the humidifier drum start running right now. So you can hear the click when it's low water level. The solenoid valve open and fill up with water, and it regulates with the magnetic float switch. It's filling up right now because the filter drum is dry and it's just getting wet right now. Now we have to put the cover on now. You'll notice that there's a sight glass in front of the cover, and that's the only way that we can see that the humidifier drum is rotating right now. Now we have the centralized humidifier in our gas furnace. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe and share. See you next time.